focused on the cell phone.
Okay. Alright, ready? So we're going. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, Dave's online. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh,
That time has no intrinsic direction. But why is it that music can take us to that place in time? Time needs to slow down, so let's do it. They also say time flies by when you're having fun. So let's test out that theory. When the music stops and the times are dark, you just want to fast forward through it all. Is there a distinction between space and time? Or must the two concepts be united into a single, continue?
That digs on
starts on my toes, and I think on my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time, wherever you go. You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of the perfume is floating on the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. Man, I can't try. My heart to my blood. You know I'm the time. You know that you're trying. Yeah, about to catch another fame. Yeah, I'm about to make him wanna bang. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up.